What is up, guys? We're doing another soda explosion. It is Barrett's birthday.
Yeah!
We have a pack of Mentos right here. 2 soda bottles to explode again. We're gonna have camera from different angles to see what it looks like. This is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be good. Now subscribe, like, and let's start. Okay, now we have the Mentos. Now let's open it.
That's a lot of
Whoa.
That's a lot of 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, is that all? 5,
Whoa,
6.
Okay, we have so many Mentos. Now, we're gonna explode now. Okay, so we're gonna have to put this on top, and then we're gonna put this on the bottom, and then we're gonna release it, and it's gonna squirt out all the Mentos in there, and it'll explode. So we're gonna put this on top. So now we have our cup right here. Let's put the Mentos in. Kelsey. So now we are done. Let's go. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! This right here. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my God!
Hey.
Test 2, but we are doing a different cap of Barrett's choice. Green cap has 3 bubbles. It's gonna shoot out 3 positions to shoot when the Mentos go inside. Oh! 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 Oh!
What happened?
I have no idea.
What the heck just happened?
Sorry, but test 2 did not work. Bye-bye. I'm just kidding. So, to make it up to you, we have a 3rd soda that we just bought. Now, we're gonna explode it this time. This one's perfectly flat. No mistakes this time. Now, let's go. Test 3. No. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Not that good. 1. Ah! Not that good. That was okay, but not the best.